King Charles III was on Saturday proclaimed Britain's new monarch in a historic ceremony of the Accession Council that was televised for the first time in history. "God save the King," were the words with which those gathered reaffirmed the proclamation made by the clerk of the council. The throne had passed to the 73-year-old former Prince of Wales following the death of his mother, Queen Elizabeth II. On Thursday and Saturday's ceremony marked his formal declaration and oath-taking at St. James' Palace in London. Following the proclamation, King Charles III held his first Privy Council meeting and made his personal declaration to assume the duties and responsibilities of sovereignty and follow in the footsteps of his late mother. Late Friday, in his first address to Britain as monarch, King Charles III expressed profound sorrow at the death of his mother, Queen Elizabeth II, and vowed to carry on the Queen's lifelong service to the nation. Meanwhile, India has declared a one-day state mourning tomorrow as a mark of respect on Queen Elizabeth's demise. Condolences poured in from around the world following the demise of the 96-year-old monarch. Prime Minister Narendra Modi remembered her as a stalwart of our times, saying she provided inspiring leadership to her nation and people, and personified dignity and decency in public life.